To enable or disable data usage limit in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter mobile network, and then we can go to data usage options. Here you'll be able to find the data usage limit. You can click on it and then activate this with this button. You can adjust the daily data usage limit, which means it will apply it daily and reset each day. You can enter a limit in number. For example, we can put 5 gigabytes. That means we'll get 5 gigabytes data each day. We can then change behavior to send alert only when the limit is exceeded, or send alert and turn off mobile data automatically. Then click on done and that way your daily data usage is set up. You can then go to the monthly data usage and adjust it for the entire month as well. It's the same thing but for entire month. Now we can also change the start calculating data usage from, and change the day when it should start calculating that data limit. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.